Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Ran on today, 09 Challenger, convertible conversion, Built Engine Whipple Supercharger. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify. Now let's check it out. All right, before we go check out the engine compartment, I thought I want to show you this because Doug's with me today. Look at this right here. So this is a convertible conversion. I mean, this car came in and I was like, what is up with that? But apparently there's a company in Florida that you can send your Challenger to and they will make a convertible. I did check out the installation. It's really clean, and when the top's up, it looks really good. No leaks, anything like that. That's the first thing I'd be concerned about, but let's go check out the engine. So here's what we have. Originally, this is a 6.1 liter, all right? We put a 6.4 liter built short block in it, Elderbrock heads, camshaft, 2.9 Whipple. We did do the 101 millimeter throttle body, of course the Whipple cold air intake, and then like Mustangs, we did the larger radiator, we did a larger heat exchanger. For the fueling on this car, we went to Ford return style fuel system, ID 1050 injectors. On pump gas, 93 octane, the car made 623, so that was like 12 PSI. So what we've done is we added another pound of boost, put an MS-109 for safety. I'm gonna make a dyno pull. Actually, I'm gonna let George make the dyno pull. He's gonna make the pull, we're gonna see what it makes. Let's check it out. That car sounds awesome. We installed Cook's headers, Corset mufflers. Love the way it sounds, but more importantly, here's what I want to show you. 662 rear wheel horsepower and torque is 626. George on wide open throttle between 2 and 2500 RPM. We're over 600 torque right away, and torque hangs in all the way across the curve. So that's a nice gain for going up another pound in boost and switching over to some MS-109 for safety. So I think that car came out really, really good. He's got like a CUDA theme going. Let's take one more look at it, Doug. Pretty cool car right here. Again, really surprised to see the convertible, but hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, of course, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Subscribe and notify if you want to see more videos of random vehicles like this. And don't forget, you probably have some questions about the parts maybe I showed you. I'll leave a link in the description so you can read about it, or email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much your vehicle will cost to get built. Thanks for watching.